Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I made this pavlova cake, stay tuned. Let's dive into the video. Sorry I've not uploaded for a long time. I've been busy guys, preparing for my exams. So the first thing I will be doing is to make a round shape on top of my baking sheet and start preheating my oven. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, but preferably cornstarch, and also 1 cup of sugar. This is 0-calorie sugar. You can make use of ordinary sugar. Then I'll also be making use of vanilla. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon later. And in here I have 4 egg whites at room temperature. So I've taken away the yolk aside off camera because I don't want this video to be long. I will go on and start beating the egg just like so. Pardon me for not uploading this video for a long time. This video has been long due since May when Norway celebrated their Independence Day, but yeah, this is when I have time to edit it. I almost forgot to show you that I'm making use of lemon zest. So guys, I will keep beating the egg and start adding my sugar bit by bit. As I beat the egg, I add the sugar till I'm done adding all the sugar. Then I will scrape all the sides to make sure that everything is well combined, just like so. Then I will add the 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, but please, if you have starch, make use of starch, preferably starch. Starch will make your pavlova to come out well. Then I'll be adding the lemon zest of 1 lemon. I will also be adding in 1 tablespoon of vanilla. If you don't have vanilla essence like this or the liquid vanilla, you can make use of the powdered vanilla. Then once I'm done adding it, I will combine everything together again with my hand blender just like so. I'll be turning my bowl around to make sure that everything is well mixed. Please, if you're watching up to this extent, remember to give this video a thumbs up, share out my video to your family, your friends, your colleagues. In fact, share my video to your loved ones, okay? And make sure you bake yourself and your family pavlova cake this festive season. So just like so, I will scrape around the bowl one more time to make sure that everything is well combined. Then I also scrape my spatula and mix the pavlova mixture for the last time. Once you feel that everything is thick and is looking pure white, well combined, then it's ready. You just have to transfer it onto your baking tray just like so. I want my own to have a flat shape, but you can make it any shape you want. So I will just be using my spatula to reshape it so that it will form well. Just like so. Then after that, I pop it inside my oven and bake. Pavlova takes much time to bake, almost 80 minutes. Not like the regular cakes that takes about 30 to 40 minutes. So while waiting for it, I will be whipping the cream. This is the cream I'm using. You can make use of cream cheese, but I'll be making use of this. I added my sugar. Remember that I'm making use of 0-calorie sugar. So I will whip and put it inside the fridge and prepare the fruit just like so. Make use of any fruit of your choice. Once it's done, it's looking like this. I did not allow this to be crunchy because we had no time. So I just brought it out to cool a bit. Then I'm decorating it just like so because you want to meet up with the march past and other activities going on in the town. So I just be decorating it like Norwegian flag, but yeah, not truly Norwegian flag. I did not get it right, but yeah, at least I tried. It looks like Norwegian flag. So just add your fruits anyhow you like. You must not make it Norwegian flag. You just have to add any fruit of your choice. You can use kiwi, mango. Oh my god, the last time I made with mango, I finished everything that very day. So just like so, and your cake is ready. Like, Very, very easy, healthy, nutritious, delicious. And this is my son Monachim enjoying the pavlova cake. Like, he loved the cake. Everybody loved the cake. Who doesn't love pavlova cake? What I love most about pavlova cake is the way it melts inside your mouth like marshmallow. Bye until I come your way again. Remain blessed and see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye.